Alright guys, welcome back to Wrong Reviews. I'm Rome, and this is the Magic 7 RSR, the Porsche edition. And I just got this in the mail this morning, and I'm going to do what I normally like to do is an unboxing, but this is going to be kind of a faux unboxing where the product was already used when I bought it, so of course it's been unboxed and opened already, but I've also gone in just to verify the contents and see what I got in the box before I made a video on it. So here we go. We're gonna switch to the overhead, and what I want to do is keep this one short and sweet. Like I said, this is being used, so it's already been unboxed, so it won't be like the complete unboxing. But here's the phone. I've already gone in and set it up. Kind of. I've gone through the initial configuration and put the face unlock and stuff like that on there and see, but I don't have any icons because I cleaned everything up and I'm just gonna go in and drop everything where I want it to go. But anyway, just wanted to do a quick unboxing and kind of talk about what I want to do with the Honor Magic 7 and the Honor Magic V5, the foldable. So yeah, in the box you have this nice flap, and it's a very nice box. And I'm sorry if I didn't comment on the sleeve that it was in, but very nice color, very nice design, and I just love unboxings where the box itself is unique. So you have that flap, and you open it and it has like just a little quote here from Professor F.A. Porsche. If you analyze the function of an object, its form often becomes obvious. And this professor was the designer of the 911 and founder of the of Porsche design. And in the box, that's where the phone would be. This is like a little, I guess, like they give you a little money with this. I don't think I could use this in the US, so I won't waste too much time with it. I'm gonna take out this little box here, and I'm not sure if originally the case would have been in like some sort of sleeve, but here it is laying there. And you can tell that the case itself is damaged. I don't know what the last person was doing with this case, but yeah, it's pretty rough. But I have since I purchased this used from the average dad. I don't know if someone used it and sent it back to him and he's reselling it. I don't know how that worked out, but anyway, I bought this used, and I spoke with average dad, and he said that he's gonna get this case replaced for me with a newer one because I was actually really excited about this case. Um, with the soft texture on the inside, which I know it won't beat up, scratch up the back of my phone. It'll be a really nice touch on the back of there. But then this nice leather, faux leather, I should say. It's just really nice design. And I was looking forward to having this on my phone. Right now, I can't. Just not with it looking like that. It looks pretty bad. So once I get the replacement, I will be popping that on there just to use the case and see how it feels in hand. The phone itself actually feels really good in hand. So yeah, happy about that. It's just a typical slab phone, nothing crazy. The only thing that really stands out, honestly, is the camera module design, which is really nice. You do have these glossy rails on there, so fingerprint magnet. I mean, no surprise there. I really like this color. It's different from what I'm used to. But anyway, let's go back to the unboxing. So you would typically get the SIM tool in here, and I think the SIM tool was special in that it would have some type of Porsche insignia on it or something like that. But like I said, used device did not come with the SIM tool. It does have a little paperwork in there. Never look at that stuff. And that's that really. And I'm going to say that this is some sort of warranty card. Yeah, yeah, the device is already used, and I'm not in country to one of the countries that they are shipping these devices to. So yeah, I don't think anything is gonna. I don't even think that matters at all. So let's put this back in here. And you over here you have your braided USB cable. Very nice, very nice. USB A to USB C. Okay, nice, simple, straightforward. Put that back over there. And you have your charging brick. And it has the standard that I can use here in the US, which is really nice. It is a 100-watt Honor Supercharge. I'm actually going to be testing this out on the phone to see how quickly it will charge the phone, because I think this is one of the few 100-watt bricks that I have here. Normally, I think I have one other brick that's over 100 watts. I think it's 120, and it came with the Vivo Expo 3 Pro. So yeah. Anyway, back to the unboxing. So I mean, really, that's it. Um, I would have bought this bad boy brand new, but I could not justify that price tag at all. Um, yeah, so I mean, this is a really nice device, but yeah, the price tag was just a little too rich for my blood. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and go into the about, and we'll see what we're working with here. So I actually went in and changed his name. It was like Magic 7, and it had like Chinese all around it. I just changed it to say Honor Magic 7 RSR. As you can see, the processor itself is still in Chinese, so I'm pretty sure it's a Snapdragon 8 Elite. And I have 16 gigs of RAM. I'm gonna look into that because I thought that it was 24. So that's kind of confusing to me. I'm trying to. I guess I need to figure out what version that I actually have here. But yeah. Anyway, 512 gig total of storage, not 1 terabyte. So I think the 24 gig RAM version comes with 1 terabyte, and the 16 gig comes with 512. Um, yeah, and that's really it. It's on Magic OS 9, Android 15, and I have the most up to date version of Android security patch July 1st. I think those security patches are typically a month behind, so I should be getting a new one within the next week or two, since August is a short month. But we'll see. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm going to be testing this device, and since I did a full unboxing of the Honor Magic V5, um, and these devices are very similar, I'm not going to dig too much into setting up this device and what I did and so on and so forth. I did do the full setup in the Honor Magic V5 video, so yeah. Um, what I do want to test, since I do have two Honor devices here, I want to figure out how to get Magic Ring set up, but I have to log in with an Honor ID. And since I'm in the US, they don't support here, so I'm going to have to figure that out. I think I have to select the country. Let's see, just one of these countries, and just remember. And I think they're going to try to send me an SMS code. So I'm trying to see if I can figure out a way around this whole process and get it set up to where I can do Magic Ring and test it out for you guys. But really, that's it. If there's anything specific, of course, I'm gonna do like the full like camera test, software test, so on and so forth. What we can use here, what we can't use here in the U.S., and so on and so forth. If there's anything you guys want to see specific on these devices, feel free to drop a comment down below. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna save all the comments that and put them into a video and just try to keep track of everything that you guys are asking me. But yeah, working on it. So anyway. Really appreciate you guys tuning in to this unboxing and initial first look. And I will be back with much more content on all of these devices. Just working it around my normal job and trying to get all the content pumped out. And I'm in a new home and settled. So more content is going to be coming and more frequently. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Appreciate you. And catch you later.